Hey guys, I'm Gaur. Welcome to a very effective 5-minute abs workout that you can do at home without any equipment. This workout is part of a 28 days abs workout challenge that you will need to do every day for 7 days. After 7 days, I upload a new video with a new level with a harder difficulty that you will need to do for another 7 days. And so on. Summer is almost here, so I hope you're as excited as I am to get into the best shape of your life and build an aesthetic physique. I hope you like this workout, and also if you'd like to get full guided workout courses with nutrition tracking, check out my Neat Diet workout app, link in the description. Now let's get to the workout.
Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything.